Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching us how to use the trading journal. So if you find your way to this channel, you're welcome and enjoy the video on how to use the trading journal effectively. So you have the starting balance and the recommended lot size. Once you put in your starting balance, it calculates it and gives you um, a recommended lot size for your account balance. Dollar account, it automatically adds it and gives me lot size of 0.1, which is a safe lot size. But for the sake of what we're trying to achieve, I would edit this and put 0.01. So this is, for me, it's a safer way to trade. So you have dates, currency pair, order type, account balance, lot size, expected profit, actual profit loss, accumulative profits, and notes. So here you already have a template on how to use the journal, right? So we'll start from the date tab. On the date tab, you have the year, the month, and the date, and you can as well set the time or when you take the trade. And here you have the currency pair. So I put in XAUUSD here, and then order type is either a buy or a sell. So I'm going to put a buy trade, punch it in. Then my account balance, of course, it's $100. So once I tap this, it automatically updates for everything. So the lot size I'm using to trade um the XAUUSD trade, I update that to 0.01. Now, using a 0.01, my profit on 50 pips, about $5. Expected profit, right? So my actual profit. So now, if I do more than $5, I will put the actual profit in. So what this calculates for my accumulative profit is my actual profit. So once I put in, say I take this trade and I make, say, $20, it automatically updates based on the profits, right? So my $100 adds up with my um actual profit and it gives me the total here. So what did I do? I can call it whatever. TP hits on the trade. TP hits say 200 pips or 20 pips. 20 pips give me $20. So the same thing here, I would update this. If you observe, my account balance has automatically updated, right? So for my next trade now, say I do is lot size of 0.1, which would give me about $50. So what I'm going to do is, no, which would give me $25, sorry. I will change that to 25. Now it will automatically update. So I'm not particularly sure about the right lot size, right? But whatever the lot size is, it will calculate it when you put your actual profits here. It would update it here, and then say I put in say 20, I took 50 pips profit. So I call it whatever happens in the trade is what I put in here. So take for instance, I take another trade and I go 0.02, supposed to give me a $1 profit, right? So say I make loss of say $30. I held the trade that long and I had a minus. So I put a minus first and I put $30. So it gives me what is expected to be, right? So this is my starting balance. This is the lot size I use. This is my expected profits, right? But I actually had a loss of $30. So it minuses $30 loss from here. And then I put here in a note, I took a loss. So this is supposed to help you journal your trade, right? So whatever trades you're taking, whatever profit you, whatever loss you make, you put it down on your trade. So back to order type, right? Either a sell, put in a sell there. I didn't write it in the right order. That's why I'm getting this alert error. So I'm going to cancel that. So the first letter is supposed to be in capital letters. So I put in sell, right? Then buy, and sell again. So that's basically how it works. You should get to see your total balance underneath here for every trade you take. So the accumulated, I mean, the expected profit, while the expected profit till the period, till the end of the period, is what you would find um, down here. So that is basically how to use trading journal. Now you have two sheets. You have for the USD and then you have for the Naira currency. In case you want to trade Naira, all the presets remain the same thing. It's just that the currency changed. On the 0.01, the expected profit is 787.25 Naira, right? So once you put in your balance, once you put in your starting balance, it automatically updates, and that is how you get to use trading journal. I hope you're able to understand, but if you have questions, you can put it in the comment section, respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Stay until the end of the